Do you want to see the latest in construction technology? Then stick around and watch what we have in store for you. Ready to upgrade that outdated patio or deck? Say goodbye to the concrete's cracks and the wood's fading, suggests an American retailer. They sell composite floor tiles at retailers that have a texture similar to wood. The wood and bamboo fibers used to make the tiles are bound with polymer resins. The standard version is square with a 12-inch site, weighs 2.4 pounds, and it's perfect for pool areas, showers, and balconies because tiles don't rot, are insect and mold resistant, and can be laid directly over existing materials as long as the area is flat and has no significant flaws. A tile costs approximately $6. The next stop is Germany, where the corporate headquarters of one of the largest construction supplies manufacturers is located. The resin is suitable for use with concrete and brickwork and can even seal water-bearing cracks with an opening width of 0.01 to 0.2 inches. On contact with water, a fast reaction takes place, and in a few seconds, the resin expands 60 times. It can even stop water under pressure and the service life of the resin. Leading construction supplies manufacturers are located, and one of their products includes this injection resin that is indispensable for fast sealing. Sandy City, Utah, USA, the local economy is booming, so a real estate developer decided to construct warehouses and office buildings. Because the area has harsh winters with heavy rains and winds, engineers decided on a hybrid roofing system that combines polystyrene with elements of polyisocyanurate. This material is very rigid, repels water, and is resistant to both chaff and wind. This material is cheap and it simplifies the work and accelerates the installation process. This German-made waterproofing technology will undoubtedly be in demand as housing development demand rises each year. It helps to reduce stress between the substratum and the tiles. The ordinary version has a thickness of 0.1 inches, but there's also an XL version with a thickness of roughly 0.3 inches. The material can be used for both indoor and outdoor projects, including work on cement and concrete substrata. Wood is particularly helpful when installing heated flooring. Polypropylene waterproofing with felt on the back is used. Let's continue our list with another item from the US that enables you to finish your home with stone veneer swiftly and effectively. If you can drive a screw into a wall, even if you're not an expert, you can install the solution. According to the company, you may purchase single stone panels and unique blocks for finishing columns. No special tools or cement are required, and you can work outside in any weather. According to the seller, the procedure is similar to playing with Legos, and is simple to complete even by yourself. The warranty is 50 years, and the final cost is dependent on the amount of work that must be done overseas. Speaking of remodeling, you should be aware of these concrete panels if you require anything more significant or simply wish to significantly alter the interior of a space. They're twice as light as their competitors, according to the producers, making installation simpler. Up to 8 feet long and 4 feet broad, with a thickness range of 0.5 to 2.5 inches, the company is prepared to create panels to order for a specific project. If necessary, panels can be quickly cut on-site with just a 2-person crew for comfortable labor. There are additional color options, and 3D textures will attract designers. If the room has a computer model, you can estimate how the panels will fit in it. What is happening in Australia? They decided to set up a park area to achieve this in order to improve living for Melbourne's expanding population. Fortunately, engineers were able to replace an outdated, heritage-listed sewage system by employing Ridge-a-Fill STB blocks. These units combine the functions of wastewater storage and filtration and are built out of polypropylene. The standard dimensions at the block are 31.5 by 31.5 by 26 inches, and the storage capacity is approximately 107 gallons. The installation is easy, the modules are light and simple to join, which is a great advantage. With the assistance of a small team, they were able to produce an excellent result. Full swing in Canada, where they chose to widen a roadway, necessitating the development of this massive system for gathering and transporting rainwater and river water, which the local engineers did an excellent job of. One of the secrets to the success is the straightforward installation that's similar to a Lego set. In just 4 days, 44 components weighing a total of more than 5,820,204 pounds were fitted. Although there's still much work to be done, the workers didn't seem to be alarmed, since they placed them. The completed length of the created part is approximately 251 feet, and its height is approximately 11.5 feet. There's still plenty of work to be done, as it's only the first section of 3, but that hardly frightened the workers as they installed them rapidly. Italy's experiencing energy issues, just like many other nations do. In August of this year, prices increased by around 76, and governments are actively looking for alternatives. This particular discovery makes it possible to harness solar energy to stop the flow of water and capture the sun. The firm's Sport Profile includes a project in Naples that generates around 25 megawatts, the largest project of its kind in the world, according to the producers. The technology is acceptable even for structures with difficult geometry, and after the work is finished, the roof is still safe to walk on. The Netherlands is the next country on the list, where they make some very interesting construction decisions. For instance, beginning in 2025, all new structures in the nation's capital must contain at least 20% wood or other biomaterials. This is done to lessen reliance on steel and concrete, the production of which is very harmful to the environment. One way to follow the trend and adhere to the new norms is to use this foundation. It's patented and enables you to quickly lay down wooden elements, terraces, ramps, steps, and other construction. The foundation can be recycled and help save on maintenance because its installation requires no drilling. There are various sizes to choose from compact versions like in the video to 5-foot-long variants, and one of these costs $36. The following is a practical solution for water drainage that works well with paving stands and tiles. The trick is that the upper part can be adjusted in height, making it a good option for new projects as well as renovation work. It's made of PVC and aluminum and can be installed on a concrete or sand base. A Russian answer is on your screens. Some leg slabs and plastic edging make it simpler and faster. Sections can be bent in this version, which has a wall thickness of 0.2 inches and a height of 2.3 inches. Additionally, they enable you to work without having to pour concrete around the edge and create undetectable slab borders. Additionally, this edging will manage maintaining the playground perfectly in place. The cost per section is roughly $4, with the coating in place and the circular tree beds. On your screen is a universal manhole cover. The German manufacturer notes that these are suitable for heating systems, pumping stations, and power lines, as you can see, so there are many applications. One innovation is the unusual triangular shape, which makes the covers the easiest to lift and much harder to steal. Additionally, these triangles open to 100 degrees and are self-locking, which greatly simplifies the life of workers. Weight depends on the model. For example, there are universal manhole covers that are lighter than others. Make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like this one.